Okay everyone, so now we are discussing the program of string handling functions. So all the functions which are important in string handling we are discussing here. So first of all we are taking hash include stdio.h, which is standard output header file for printf and scanf functions. Then hash include conio.h, which is console output header file for clear screen and getch functions. Then hash include string.h. Now we are going to use the string functions just like string length, string concatenation, reverse. All those functions are the part of string.h. Now void means no return type, main driving function. Coming inside, we know that the string is the character array. So we are taking char s1 blank. Blank means we don't know what is the size will be. So it will take automatically. So let us suppose we are taking s1. Now here it is the array. It will depend upon the number of elements. Now here we are saying hello in double quotes. Double quotes means that is a string. So we are entering H E. Remember one thing, if E is small we have to take the small e, not the capital E, because the string small and capital letters are different. Then L L O. So hello is right now there inside that. Now afterward there will be /0, but I am assuming that everybody knows about it, so we are not taking it. Then S2, because there is one more array, S2. Again the size is not given, so whatever the size it will take. Word, all in capital. So W O R L D. Okay, to make you understand, I am also putting the /0 so that there should be not any confusion, because compiler automatically put the /0 at the end. But in the string functions, they ignore the /0. Okay. So clear screen. For clearing the screen now, printf length of string 1. So that is displayed on the screen. Length of string 1. Now %d is integer. Why? Because string length will be into the integer. That's why. Then strlen, so string length function s1. So finding the length of the string s1, now we know that the characters it is going to count. So characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in string 1, 5 characters are there. So the result will be 5, and that is displayed on the screen, that is 5. Printf /n for the new line. Then so /n for the new line, then concatenation of two string. Now here the message on the screen, concatenation of two strings. %s, that is for the string, we know it, %s for the string. Then strcat, string concatenate, means combining the string s1 s2. So now we are going to combine the string, and we know that the string s2 will combined with the s1. So here the value of s1 will be updated. Now if s2 is going to add on into s1, so it will be added at the end. Now the end is /0, so this /0 is now replaced with the new character, that is w. Now here the w will come. So now w will come here at the place of /0. Now afterward WORLD. So now both are combined together. Now this is implemented into the S1, and at the last /0 will come. /0 is a terminating special character. So compiler is not going to take that particular character, that means this will be ignored. It is only for counting the last, means this is the last of the string. So we cannot say that hello slash 0 then word slash 0. No, slash 0 will only come at the last because hello word is now combined. So you can see that the answer of this particular line will be hello, Hello word. The small letter will be small, capital will be capital, because in the string small and capital letters are different. Then printf slash n for the new line. So slash n for the new line, then reverse of string 1. So now we are taking the reverse of string 1. So message displayed on the screen, reverse of string 1, percentage s for the string. Now string reverse s1. So the s1 we are going to reverse it. You can see that all the letters are coming in reverse. Let us suppose first of all we are taking the D. So D is coming first. Then L is coming. R, O, W, small o, small l, again small l, small e, and small h. So we can see that in this way the whole string is displayed in the reverse. So there we are having the reverse of the string with the help of string reverse function. Then printf slash n for the new line, uppercase of string 1. Now uppercase of string 1 is displayed. Afterward we are saying percentage s, that is for printing the screen, and string upr, so string into uppercase s1. So the whole string is now coming into uppercase. You can see that this way it is the reverse uppercase. Why? Because whenever you are going to perform any operation, it is going to update it. Once you have performed the string reverse operation, in that case all those words have updated with their value. So their values is updated now, because as you said string reverse, so their new value is becoming now D L R O W small o, small l, e, h. So string is now reversed into the same array, and now this time you can see that this same array values are shown into the capital letter because string is already reversed. Afterward printf slash n for the new line, lowercase of string 2. Now lowercase of string 2, and we know that percentage s for printing the screen string. Now lowercase of word will be capital W into small w, capital O into small o, capital R into small r, capital L to small l, capital D to small d. So now this string lowercase is going to convert the capital letter to the small letter. So that is the program of string functions. So we have learned various string functions like finding the length of the string, concatenating the string, finding the string reverse, string into uppercase and the lowercase. But yes, the main important thing we have learned is the concatenation function, reverse function. These functions are going to append the same string. That means if I am taking an array, I have appended that function, that is star cat. So both string are combined and saved to the first string. So that is all about the string handling functions.